Welcome to our comprehensive training on information security. In this session, you will embark on an exciting journey to understand the core principles, practices, and strategies essential for safeguarding information security in today's digital world. Here, what you will learn. In session 1 introduces you to fundamentals of information security, including core concepts like confidentiality, integrity, and availability. In session 2, dives into common threats and attacks with real world examples that show why security is crucial. In session 3, we will explore security controls and best practices from password management to data recovery strategies. In session 4, we are going to focus on network security basics, including firewalls, intrusion detection system, and wireless security tools as well. In session 5, wrap ups with incident response strategies and a look at the future of information security. By the end of this training, you will have the skills and knowledge to protect sensitive information, enhance network security, and respond effectively to incidents. Whether you are a beginner or looking to refresh your knowledge, this course will equip you with practical tips and real world insights to stay ahead in the evolving world of cybersecurity. Let's dive in, secure your future. Thank you.